Pating Reviews presents OMEN 25L GT12-0060 Gaming PC. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it at the best possible price. Excellent gaming PC, Ryzen 7 5700X. Well made with lots of ports including USB-C, easy to access all components, no crashing, and it handles everything I've thrown at it. Good components and super fast. A good deal for a beginner gamer. Advanced gamers might want to go with a PC with a faster card and liquid cooling to keep this one cooler. This is a metal plate at the top inside of the chassis that you can remove. Drops the core temperature by 5 degrees Celsius or so. Overall though, this is an amazing gaming PC and all the games I played on it work really well, and for this price it's quite a good deal. Great starting gaming PC for new gamers. Here's a bit more information about this gaming computer. Brand HP series OMEN 25L Gaming Desktop PC. Operating system Windows 10 Home. CPU model Intel Core i7. Processor speed 4.8 GHz. Hyper realistic graphics NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. 6GB of GDDR6 dedicated memory. Enjoy an incredible power to create a game at ultra fast speeds with the all new NVIDIA Turing architecture, including ray tracing technology for unbelievable visuals, VR ready, dual monitor support, one HDMI, one DisplayPort, one DVD-D, ultra-fast processor, 10th generation Intel Core i7-10700F processor, 8-core, 2.9 GHz base frequency up to 4.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology. Storage and memory, 1 TB of 7200 RPM SATA hard drive with 512 GB of PCIe NVMe M.2 solid-state drive. Slots 1 occupied, PCIe Gen 3 x 16. 2 occupied M.2. 1 available internal 3.5-inch hard disk drive, and a HyperX Fury 16GB DDR4 2666Hz 288-pin XMP RAM memory. PC gaming connectivity, Realtek Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5, 3.5mm headphone microphone combination, microphone jack, 2 super speed USB Type A at top and 2 super speed USB Type A in rear, 2 USB 2.0 Type A in rear, and 1 super speed USB Type C rear, and 1 Ethernet port. Keyboard and mouse included. Comes with the HP black wired keyboard and with volume control and wired optical mouse. Operating system and warranty. Windows 10 Home 64-bit and 1 year limited warranty with 24 hours, 7 days a week web support when shipped from and sold by Amazon.com. Adheres to your industry standards with support for micro ATX motherboard builds. Your aftermarket parts fit and work in this galvanized steel chassis with an easy access angle design and superb cable management. It's the ultimate do-it-yourself gaming PC. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.